Hello my dears, good afternoon. How are you today? Fine? Okay. Today we will start our class. Okay. Which class is this? This is a English class. We have done all the letters A to Z. Okay. We have done all the letters A to Z. And we have done rhymes. Today we will do revision. Today we will do revision of oral. Okay, we will do all the rhymes, all sight words and capital letter A to Z. Okay, let us start. All of you sit straight, fold your hands and look at the board. Okay. There are four rhymes. You have to learn the rhymes, and when your oral exam is there, you have to say one rhyme. You have to send voice message of rhyme. Okay, one rhyme, only one rhyme. So first we start our rhyme with chubby chick. We will start rhyme chubby chick. Is ready all of you? You have to say with action. Ready? Okay, start. Chubby chick, dimple chin, rosy lip, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Once again, chubby chick, dimple chin, rosy lip, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Next rhyme. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Again we will repeat this rhyme. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Very good. Next. Two little dicky birds. Okay. Which rhyme? Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Again we will repeat this rhyme. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Okay, these are the rhymes which come in your oral exam. Okay, now we will do revision of capital letters. Okay, which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. A for apple, aeroplane, arrow, airport, aircraft. Next, after A, which letter will come? B. After A, which letter will come? B. B for ball, bat, book. A, B, C. Which letter is this? C. C for cat. C for cow. C for come. Okay. A, B, C. After C, which letter will come? D. After C, which letter will come? D. D for dog. D for doll. D for door. D for drum. A, B, C, D. After D, E. Which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? E. E for eyes, ear, eagle. A, B, C, D, E, F. After E, F. F for fish. F for fan. F for fun. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After F, which letter will come? G. G for gun. G for girl. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, H. After G, H. H for hand. H for house. H for hand. G, H. After H, I. I for ice cream. I for igloo. Okay. G, H, I. After I, which letter will come? J. J for jug. J for joker. G, H, I, J. After J, K. After J, K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. G, H, I, J, K. After K, L. L for lion. L for lamp. L for light. G, H, I, J, K, L. After L, which letter will come? M. M for monkey. M for mother. Okay, M for your favorite fruit, mango. M. After M, N. Which letter will come? N. N for nest. N for nurse. M, N. After N, O. O for orange. O for owl. Okay. M, N, O. After O, which letter will come? P. Which letter will come? P. P for parrot. P for pink color. M, N, O, P. After P, Q. Which letter will come? Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. M, N, O, P, Q, R. After Q, which letter will come? R. R for rat. R for rose. M, N, O, P, Q, R. After R, S. Which letter will come? S. S for sun. S for soap. Okay. S. After S, which letter will come? T. T for tiger. T for teacher. T for tab. S, T. After T, U. Which letter will come? U. U for umbrella. U for up. S, T, U. After U, which letter will come? for van. V for vase. S-T-U-V. After V, W. W for watch. W for wait. Okay. S-T-U-V-W. After W, which letter will come? X. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. S-T-U-V-W. X. After X, Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. After Y, which letter will come? Z. Which letter will come? Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Good. Now we will repeat all the letters. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I learn my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now we will revise sight words. What we will do? We will revise sight word. You have to repeat after me. You have to repeat after me. Look here. All of you look here. H, E, he. H, E, he. Repeat after me. H, E, he. H, E, he. Say loudly, all of you. H, E, he. Say loudly. H, E, he. Now next. W, E, V. W, E, V. W, E, V. Say loudly. Hold your hands and sit properly. Yes. W, E, V. W, E, V. H, E, he. W, E, V. Next. I, T. It. 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 H, E. He. W, E. V. I, T. It. I, S. Is. I, S. Is. I, S. Is. I, S. Is. H, E. He. W, E. V. I, T. It. I, S. Is. G, O. Go. 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 H, E. He. W, E. V. I, T. It. I, T. It. I, S. Is. I, S. Is. G, O. Go. G, O, go. A, S, S, A, S, S, A, S, S, A, S, S, H, E, he, W, E, V, I, T, it, I, S, is, G, O, go, A, S, 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 O, so, 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 D, O, do, D, O, do, D, O, do, D, O, do, H, E, he, H, E, he, W, E, V, W, E, V, I, T, it, I, T, it, I, S, is, I, S, is, G, O, go, G, O, go, A, S, S, A, S, 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 O, so, S, O, so, D, O, do, D, O, do. Okay, this all are sight word. Okay, you have to say and you have to read and say. Okay, again, once again, we will repeat all the sight word. Okay, H, E, he, W, E, V, I, T, it, I, S, is, G, O, go, A, S, 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 O, so, D, O, do. Okay, so you have to learn all the rhymes, capital letter A to Z, and this sight words. Okay, for oral. This is your portion for oral. You have to practice at your home rhymes, sight word and capital letter oral A to Z. Till then, bye and have a nice day.